Hi, this is Dan Millen with Livernois Motorsports. Today we want to talk about our 2017 and newer Ford Raptor calibration. The truck next to me happens to be a buddy of mine's, Brad's. This is a 2019. We want to talk about some of the benefits Livernois Motorsports offers for these trucks. One, first and foremost, this has a CARB EO status on it. What that means, this is legal for sale in all 50 states, including California. One of the other benefits that we obviously do for these things is we increase power. So these things pick up in the neighborhood of 60 horsepower and 60 plus foot-pounds of torque. We'll go ahead and show you the dyno results of this one when we're done with that. One of my other favorite features about the stuff we do in the calibration is our 10-speed transmission tuning. If anybody's driven one of these vehicles or these trucks or anything that Ford has with a 10-speed, you'll know that they skip gears. So they skip, 1 to 3, 3 to 5, and so on. So what we do is we fix that so they shift 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And that's really the way that things are supposed to shift. It's got a 10-speed, let's use all the gears. Anyway, this is one of the baddest trucks Ford builds, or actually one of the baddest off-road trucks available from the factory. So we're gonna go ahead and throw our tune in and show everybody the results in this thing. So stay tuned. Thanks. Okay, you just seen us making pulls in this truck. Happy to report that it did pick up 60 horsepower peak to peak, and after the peak it picked up 60 foot-pounds. Pretty impressive for a truck like this, just considering the tune only. Check out our website, livernoismotorsports.com, where you can purchase this product. Remember, it is 50 state legal. We also have some other videos coming to this truck that's going to show we have a flex fuel calibration. You can put full E85 in it, and I would suspect those results are going to be pretty substantially better than what we've seen here. Anyway, stay tuned, and thanks.